Hey guys, I'm Kodu Games here. And this is going to be my first video, and today guys, I'm going to teach you how to make it easy gun kind of shooter game with reload mechanics, ammo, health, and even power-ups. Oh, it's the wrong word. Sorry. So we're going to create a new world from scratch. Alright, first thing you want to do is once you create your new world from scratch, of course you want to put the player, aka Kodu. You can make him whatever color you want. I'm going to make him green. So, first things first, we're going to start programming the gun mechanics. You want to go ahead and right click them, click program, or if you're on if you decide to plug in the console to your PC, that is honestly up to you. I'm going to use mouse and keyboard because that's probably what most of you are going to use. So you want to do, first of all, let's allow him to move. So you want to click 1, keyboard, WASD. So this is telling the Kodu when something on keyboard, which we specified as WASD, happens, what do we want to do? In this case, we want to move. So if I exit out of here and play, we can now control Kodu using the WASD controls. Alright. We're going to do the same with jump. Again, keyboard, miscellaneous, then space. Keys like space, control, shift, tab are all going to be in that miscellaneous tab. Of course, symbols, letters, arrows, all that stuff. And then we're going to do jump, which is an actions more than jump. Again, pretty similar to the first one. So now we can move and jump. And you're probably wanting it to be first person, because it is a shooter game. So, no problem. We're going to click 1, more, always. So this is always when the game is running. We want to put him in a view of first person. So now we have a first person kind of walk around game. But you guys want a gun. But for this tutorial we're going to be doing a gun game. So, first things first, we're going to create an object that'll pretty much give you some starter items. I mean some starter stuff. Like we will if you just leave that blank, it'll just pretty much be always by default. Although I like to specify sometimes. But we're not going to use always. So we're going to do action, not action, game, add score, and our ammo will be gray. That'll be our total ammo. And then we'll give them, we'll give them 100 ammo. Alright, just for example. And also another thing, this is going to start the UI thing. We want to do another always. And then we want to make it so the score will keep track of our health. So we're going to do set score red, which is going to be our health, to the health. So it says always the score will be set. They'll be setting the score of red to our health. And I can actually confirm that. Whoops. I forgot to specify once for this. So that way it gives us 100. And as you can see, by default, Kodu. I was just moving my little record thing. by default he has 50 health, although I'm pretty sure you probably want to change that, and you can do that by going to change settings, and then just scrolling on down the hit points, and you probably want to put that at 100. Also, just if you want an optional thing, you can do show hit points. Again, you can mess around with the settings. I won't get too much into detail. I could do that in another video for y'all. So now, it's got 100 ammo that you can't do nothing with, and you got 100 health, but no enemies. So, now to add the reload mechanics. This is going to be a little tricky, so stay along. So what we're going to do is first we're going to have it detect if we have ammo available to our use by unscored the gray to above 0. So it means if we have any ammo whatsoever, so if it's above 0, then when keyboard and the letter R, where is that? R, which could be a reload key. And then, now we'll do a quick reload. Then, oops, actually, was that it? Yeah. On keyboard R. Okay. Let's actually add a delay. Just for fun. Where is that? Timer. I'm looking for timer. What? Where is that? One keyboard R. Oh, and then here, I think. Oops. We're gonna scooch that. When timer is, we're gonna say 2 seconds. That's kind of like a general reload time. Then we're gonna game add score. Oh wait. There's one other thing we're gonna do. Add score to our current ammo, which is going to be white. And another thing at the same time. Okay. Then gotta make sure you put them specifically how I am, or else some really funny stuff could happen. I don't know. I haven't done it myself. And then you also want to subtract from gray. Oh, we didn't specify actually. So we're actually going to change this to 9. So that's 5 and 4. Again, with this, with the points, you can add up as much as you want. We're going to do 9. Don't do the number you want. Always do one less, or else, yeah, it's not going to go well for the person trying to reload. Yeah. Then you want to add the 10 points. Seems fair. And 10 points here. Bang. And just like that, we got some reload mechanics. Just to test. Yep. Bang. Every time you hold R for 2 seconds. Yes, you have to hold it. Unfortunately, that's Kodu mechanics. So, we got the reload mechanics. We got the little HUI. Where's the gun? The main part of this video. Well, glad you asked. And we're going to add that. Now, it's not going to be simple as one mouse left click, which I'm pretty sure you want. Shoot. Because then this was kind of a waste to add this whole reload mechanic. So you want to do when scored your white or whatever color you chose for your current ammo is compared to above, I won't do above 0 for this one. And then, underneath that, you have to indent this. Again, the way to indent is to click, drag, or as you can see here, those are the options. And then when mouse left click, do what? Shoot, and we're going to use little pellets. Now, we're going to go ahead and control these pellets on how much damage they can do just by going to his settings. And if there's any questions you have, you're welcome to leave a comment down below, and I will try to respond as fast as possible. So we're going to do, that's fine, that's fine, yeah, this is fine. We kind of gotta, let's bump that to 10. So, now, we reload, we can shoot. Oh, actually, I forgot one thing. So with the shoot, oops, I knew it was more complicated than that. When mouse left click, do it. Game, subtract, white. I knew I was forgetting something. 1. And you want to do that once, and so with the shoot. Or else, you're gonna have some pretty mania. Some pretty interesting mania. Trust me, I've tried that before. That's one thing I can tell you I've tried. And it messes it up. It kind of defeats the purpose, pretty much giving you more ammo. Make sure to do once for both of them. And now, reload. Now you can make the reload faster or slower. Like, for instance, you can change it to whatever time you want. Now, to test it on some dummies. We're literally just gonna kind of have some Kodu who have, I don't know, 80 hit points, and let's show their hit points. And then we're gonna copy and paste them 3 times, and let's test it out. So now, just hold R to reload, and you can reload as many times as you want. Spam. And yeah guys, that is it for the tutorial.